Hey, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well today. Hope you are having a great week so far. In today's video, as you can see from up there, I'm going to be doing my monthly favorites. This is actually a combination of January and February favorites because I haven't done one of these actually in a while, since like November, I think, because just, you know, the holidays and stuff like that, it's kind of, I didn't do as much shopping and that's why you guys haven't seen as much or as many like hauls and lookbooks, but they're coming, I promise you guys. But yeah, without further ado, let's get the intro started. I'm gonna get right to the first item here, which is actually a watch, but it's not just any watch, haha. It's actually a activity tracker, which is really exciting because I've had this momentum going now for quite some time now. Most of last year, I went full force into working out and fitness. Now I love to track like my heart rate, my activity, like what I'm doing, how many steps I've taken and stuff like that. So I wanted to mention this right here, which I'm wearing in the video today. This is actually the Nokia Steel HR. This is a really awesome activity tracker. I thought I'd start the video off with this. Now this watch is super cool because not only does it look really like, you know, stylish, it doesn't, if you see me like walking around like this, it doesn't look like an activity tracker or stuff like that. It just looks like a watch, which I like. It looks really great not only at the gym, but it looks great if you're just gonna wear this casually, because they also do sell like wristbands and stuff like that, which I just got this one. This one is a brown leather wristband, which I love. And I love that you can receive text notifications, calls, notifications from your phone because it's Bluetooth, so it's connected to your phone. So you get notifications in this little tiny black circle right here. You get like texts and like missed calls. So that's really cool too. You know, at the gym, this is perfect because if it's an emergency, you can just be running, tracking your activity, and you're like, oh shoot, I got a missed call. So that is a really cool feature of this, and it's water resistant as well, so you can swim, do all that stuff. I really want to track like my activity, my heart rate, see if I'm actually getting the heart rate going, you know what I mean, when I'm doing cardio. And they do have options too. So this one here is a 36mm. They also have 42mm. Oh, the battery life is great too. The battery life, you guys, it lasts like 25 days with the battery, and it comes with a USB, you know, so it's really easy to charge and it lasts a long time. So if you guys have any goals this year, you want to get into fitness or just track your heart rate and all of that, this is really great. If you guys want to check out this product, go to my link below in the info box. We have a special link below in the info box. You guys get 10% off of the Nokia Health Store with our special promo code, which will be down below in the info box. And thank you, Nokia, for collaborating with me in today's video. Let's get going with number 2. All right, so second favorite of the month is this baseball cap here. This is an Adidas hat. I love the color first off. This is a dark, kind of like a olive green color. I love this type of hats. I wish snapbacks would look good on me. I love wearing hats, but like, I like these type of athletic hats because I wear them a lot to the gym, and these go really well with my head shape. I have more of like a longer, like oval face shape, so like snapbacks don't really look good on me. They look way too big and stuff. And this one here is perfect, especially when I have not a good hair day. Hat day is where it's at when you have a bad hair day. I got 2 items from Banana Republic that I want to talk about in today's video. They're 2 new favorites of mine for my wardrobe. Now this here, don't worry. Okay, so Joe, when he saw this, he's like, that, I don't know how I feel about that, right? But after I put it on, he's like, dude, that actually looks good on you, you know? And I've been looking for something like this for quite some time now. I forgot the name of this material. This is like a plush, very like soft type of trendy, you know, material. Let me put it on for you guys actually and see what you guys think. All right. Boom! What do you guys think? So I personally love this. I love the fact that it's a little bit oversized. Obviously, I'd probably pair this up with like a white shirt underneath, light jeans, like white sneakers, or like, you know, rolled up cuffed light jeans with like white sneakers. It's automatically a favorite of mine for this month. Now these have been really trendy. I'm actually looking for, I was looking for like a hoodie, a dark gray oversized hoodie with this material. This always happens to me. I think it's the pressure of filming. I'm like, I can't think of words, man. My mind is just blank. I got this like 3 weeks ago from Banana Republic, and it's just a great transitional item for my wardrobe, especially for like transitioning to spring. But yeah, I'll show you guys how I style this in a future lookbook video, but this is an automatic favorite of mine for the month. I have been really into stripes lately. I feel like they're a great way to transition as well to, you know, to springtime, but I don't know what it is lately. I've been really into like smart shirts, button down, stripes. I think I'm just maybe growing up a little bit. Really nice stripe, kind of like nautical feel, little European feel. This is a favorite shirt of mine for the month. the Camden Fit Banana Republic. All right, this might not come as a surprise, but this jacket here as well has been an awesome favorite of mine for the month, or from the beginning of the year, to be honest. I wore this on New Year's, I think. But this was such a score. I showed you guys this in my last lookbook, actually, that I filmed. Whenever I plan to shop, for some reason, I can't find anything. And then when I'm with a friend, or just I'm not shopping today, just, you know, I'm just helping someone out, or I'm like shopping with someone but not for myself, you always find the best things. Do you guys, does it happen to you? That always seems to happen to me. And that was the story with this. This was right before Christmas, and I was with a friend helping them shop, and I was looking for presents as well for others, not for myself. And this was at the Guess store, and it was like 50% off. It was such a steal. I think I got this for like 40 bucks out of 100. It was a really good deal, so I just had to include this in the video. So let me read this one because it's a long one. This is pretty much an eye cream, but it is the men's Max LS Power V Instant Eye Lift. Now I have this in the fridge, and sometimes if I have like to go somewhere and I have like dark under eye circles and I don't want to dunk my face in ice water, I just want an instant quick little like eye lift. This really works, you guys. So I am the type of guy that if I don't get enough sleep, or I'm tired, or whatever it may be, you can automatically tell with me because my eyes, I get really puffy under eyes and like 2 big lines right here. And this is really great because all you do, you just add a little bit to your finger and you pretty much just dab underneath the eye. Since it's in the fridge, it's really, really fresh and cold. And I don't know what they have in here, man, but it just really works. Like I noticed a quick, and it might be like the placebo effect, but I feel like it just does work. So I do this like once a week. If I'm gonna go to like an appointment, wherever it is, I'll just like quickly, you know, go like this. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to flip you off. I go like, you know, like that, and it just goes away instantly. So if you guys are looking for something like this, Lab Series Max LS. And now secondly, I wanna talk about my iPhone case. It's another favorite of mine of the month. I got this last month. It is a great iPhone case. This is a brown leather iPhone case from Apple. And at first it's like, holy shit, they're expensive. They're like 50 bucks for an iPhone case. I think it's actually, is it like 40 something dollars? It's a lot of money. So I used to be like, no way, why? But I'll just be honest, their cases are so good, like really good quality. And you know, I've dropped my phone multiple times with this and nothing happens. I had a white one and same thing, it lasted such a long time, no damage to the iPhone case. So I just wanna let you guys know, really well made. Of course, it's Apple, really, really well made, fits the phone perfectly. And I feel like it's just a really great touch. And last but not least, I'm gonna talk about a candle. I haven't talked about a candle in a long time, but this is Yankee Candle. It's not fall right now, but this is called Crisp Fall Night. I got it, oh man, if you guys, I can't even explain the scent. So that's why I hate talking about candles, but I still do it because I can't really like describe the scent, but it smells like a neutral, almost like a men's cologne, but not too potent, not like strong. And it just smells like a clean, nice house. So if you guys are on the hunt for some candles, search for the Crisp Fall Night. And yeah, that is pretty much it for my February/January favorites. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know below in the comments, what are some of your favorite items of the month? Anything you recommend for me? Let's talk down below. And if you're new to watching the JairWoo fam, what's up? My name is JairWoo. Click subscribe for more videos. And with that being said, I hope you guys have a great rest of the week. I will see you all in the next video. Adios.